Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, you have your brand new Redmi Note 10 Pro and you like it, you like the Xiaomi software, and you want to take a look at the Xiaomi ecosystem and what accessories they offer. And in here I have some accessories thanks to the Me community for sending these accessories out. They also did send me the Note 10 Pro as well. So in this box I'm going to be showing you some accessories that Xiaomi do, and obviously you can link these up with your Xiaomi device using the Xiaomi Fit app and the Mi Home app as well. So let's see what we got first. Ooh. 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 Talking like I don't know what's in here, but really I do. Oh. This is the first one, okay? The Mi Body Composition Scale 2. Whoops. Yeah, weighing scales. This pairs with the Mi Fit app on your smartphone. And there we go. So it's a glass top, and at the bottom there's 4 rubber feet and a compartment for batteries. It takes 4 AAA batteries. Now you connect this up with the Mi Fit app, like I said, and basically monitors your weight, and as soon as you stand on the scales it will send a reading straight to the Mi Fit app, and obviously you can record that reading in there as well. And there's a nice digital display on top of this weighing scale as well, so it's not just being displayed on the phone. And you can weigh yourself obviously without the app as well. You can just use it as a standalone scale as well. But yeah, that's one accessory in the Xiaomi ecosystem. Okay, next in the mystery box. Again, I'm going to look in here like I don't know what's inside, but really I do. Ooh. What we've got here then? The Mi Band 5, the Mi Smart Band 5. This again will pair with the Mi Fit app, just like the weighing scales. And this is basically a fitness tracker. It will obviously monitor your heart rate, your stress levels. You can also do workouts, so you can set walking, cycling. So here, a closer look, it's actually got the charger at the back there. It's magnetic, that just clips onto there. But it is waterproof, so you can go swimming with it as well. Tracks your steps, your heart rate, just like most fitness tracker really. But obviously this is within the Xiaomi ecosystem, and this can be linked with your smartphone and the app as well. 1.1 inch colourful display, look at that, nice and vivid. Really, really nice. Pop it on your wrist. Again, like I said, measures heart rate, stress, and you can do workouts with it, swimming, cycling, walking, running. And also within the app as well, you can track your sleep patterns as well. It monitors how well you're sleeping. But yeah, another great addition to the Xiaomi ecosystem, the Mi Band 5. Okay, so thirdly, let's have a look in the box. Let's see if you can guess what it is. Amazing, wow, what's this? Ah. It's a Mi Smart LED bulb. Can you see that right there? Another accessory from Xiaomi to go into the ecosystem. 950 lumens. It works with Alexa, Google Home as well. This is the screw thread edition as well. So if you're going to get one of these, you need to make sure you've got a screw thread socket and your lamp. Now this is also white and colour, and again this will connect to your Mi Home app. So log into your Mi Home app, get this connected up, it will connect to your network at home, and once you've plugged it in you can control the lighting, how dim it is, the colour cycle, the warmth, and there's so many different color flows as well. If you have like an RGB sort of setup at home as well, this will be a great addition. Or if you're just starting out, it's perfect as well. You can set the mood, and they do look really, really nice. The app is super easy and intuitive, and the actual actions are pretty much instant. As soon as you change something on the app, it will then change actually on the bulb as well. So that's it. Another addition to the ecosystem, the Mi Smart LED bulb. Okay, so the fourth product, device, whatever you want to call it, is in here. Again, have a guess what it might be. Oh, wow. Here it is. The Mi Home security camera. See that? 360 degrees, 1080p, a smart little camera. Again, this will connect to your Mi Home app as well, so you can have a plethora of devices within the Mi Home app. If you have a look at all the devices on there, there's so much stuff you can actually add, and this is one of them as well. Look how cute that is. Relatively small, that's in the palm of my hand. They look really smart, neat. We have a speaker built in there at the back, again 360 degrees. On the actual device there is a reset button at the bottom. It's powered by a micro USB, and in the box you also get obviously a micro USB cable, and you also get a mount. So you could screw the mount to a ceiling or the wall and just snap that in place, and it will monitor whatever room you put it in. Add it to the software and you can have a live view, a live feed on the app through that camera. There is two-way audio as well, so you can talk and hear at the same time. So this will detect motion, and it will send events to the app or the smartphone when something appears. It will record that footage as well. You can do manual recording as well, and you can take photos while live viewing the camera as well. A nice little camera with some great features. Also night vision available on this as well. So that is the Mi Home security camera, 360 degrees, 1080p. Another one to add to the Xiaomi's ecosystem. Okay, you ready for the next one? In here, let's take a look. Ah yes, this one. Now this, I suppose, isn't really an accessory. It is the Mi Box S. Did you know that Xiaomi do Android boxes? This is basically an Android TV, 4K, Ultra HD, plus HDR support as well. The Mi Box S. You don't add this on the Mi Home app or the Mi Fit app or anything like that. But what you can do with this is you can install the Mi Home app on here. You can install the Mi Fit app on here. I suppose it's an Android box if you wanted to. And you could have connection with your other devices through this as well, using the apps on there. So inside the box, you get that. And it's small. Look, whoa. In my hand, the palm of my hand, it's there. It's small. On the back, you have HDMI port, a USB port. We have audio and power. And that's it. That little powerful thing. It's also got Chromecast built in as well, which is a great extra feature. So in the box, you get a HDMI cable, you get some leaflets, manuals, you get a power adapter, and you get this really smart remote. It's called the voice control in the manual. There it is. Can you see that? Focus. Focus, Daniel-san. Focus.
Focus, Daniel-san.
There we go. You can see that much better. Yes, so the power button at the top there, and you also got the what looks to be the Google button there at the top. You've got a Netflix shortcut there as well. I think it's a nice, smart looking remote. Now for the technical specs of this thing, output resolution is 4K. We have the Cortex A53 quad-core processor, the Mali 450, 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of eMMC storage. And this is running Android operating system 8.1. So if you're looking for an Android TV box, then take a look at the Mi Box S, 4K output, Chromecast built in as well. Could look great on your TV stand. Okay, last but by no means least, see what we got. Yep, nothing else in there. Boom. There we go. Mi True Wireless Earphones 2S. I've tested these. This is how they come packaged. But I really like the case. That is craftsmanship. The nice sharp edges. Cool, minimalistic. Pop open. And after you put your earbuds in there. So these are the earphones. Now I'm normally used to wearing earphones with the with the rubber caps at the end. This is plastic. So for me, when I was using them, they don't feel as comfortable as the Liberty Air 2 Pro that I use. These stick out a little bit more than the other ones. But they do fit in there nicely. Sound quality is good. And they pop in here just nice. Charging. This case is also wireless charging as well. Wireless charging capable. There is also the option of charging via Type-C cable as well, if you wish, if you've not got wireless charging. So that's good. Now these also have ENC, which is named differently to ANC. It's not active noise cancellation. They call it environmental noise reduction. So they have Bluetooth 5, so there are no issues in connectivity or any sort of audio quality either. So if you're a Xiaomi lover or you're just getting into Xiaomi devices, these are 6 devices here that can get you started into their ecosystem as well. Links to these will be in the description below, as well as all the other devices as well. Check out the Mi community as well, a very helpful forum on there as well if you need any help with any of your devices and stuff like that. Get loads of information from there. And thank you for the Mi community for sending all these devices out. Any questions, pop them down below. Give the video a thumbs up, and it'd be great if you'd subscribe to the channel. And it would be great if you could subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.